everyone, and welcome to a special holiday edition of Friday Fastbacks. I'm your host, Josh Kerbach, and today we're going to do things a little bit differently. I'd like to start out by wishing you a Merry Christmas. And I realize that's the holiday that I choose to celebrate this time of year. It may not be the holiday that you choose to celebrate, and that's okay. Happy holidays to you and yours from everyone here at Original One. So I'd like to go back to my childhood for just a minute. You see, when I was growing up, I had no idea if we were rich or if we were poor, because the holiday season was so very special because of two people in my life, my mom and my dad. Sandy and Jerry, I think you're watching. You tell me you are. Thank you. I appreciate it. You made it an incredible time of year for my brother, my sister, myself. And so when this time of year comes around, I can't help but think of how special it is. Just like I can't help but be extremely proud of what we're doing here at Original One Parts. You see, I know that we're changing this industry and we're doing it for the better. We're making a safer repair out there for each and every one of your customers, and it's something that I'm so incredibly proud to be a part of. All you have to do is watch any of the Friday Fastbacks, look at any social media posts. I'm beaming with pride every time I talk about Original One because I think it's truly awesome. So anyway, what I want to do is wish you a happy holiday season from my family here at Original One Parts to you and yours back home. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the original one.